Good morning. Now, this is a lovely little silver birch I collected. I was just looking at it before and I noticed there's a little something down here growing. That came out easy. I don't know what it is. Might be a weed. It's got some nice roots on it. Probably is a weed, I don't know. But look at the base. I'm going to make a tiny little bonsai. So, we just put it down there. We'll just get a brick. Just to prop my camera up with. There. Can you see here? Where can we see? Perfect. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wire it. I'll put the brick on my wire. That was bad. Right. Here we go. So, got a nice little shape there. Don't need a lot of wire. So all I'm going to do is there we go. It's a bit of character. So I'll just go and get a pot. Got a little pot here. Got some of my compost. This is compost, perlite, grit, and pine bark. And then all we're going to do from here is just make a hole. Stick it in. Like that. And it's done. And that's it. Tiny little bonsai. Thanks for watching.